Welcome to this step-by-step guide for installing your kitchen faucet with sensor and solenoid valve. Start by removing the mounting nut and washer from the shank of the faucet. Ensure the countertop or sink has a 35mm hole for installation. Place the faucet into position, feeding the hoses through the hole. From underneath the sink, slide the washer onto the shank and thread the mounting nut into place. Turn the faucet to the desired handle position, then securely tighten the clamp screws to hold the faucet firmly. Install the solenoid valve mounting plate under the sink, positioning it approximately 10 to 12 inches below the faucet mounting nut. Slide the solenoid valve onto the plate. Insert 4 double-A batteries into the battery box and attach the box to the collar to the plate. Ensure the solenoid valve is oriented correctly, with the in port at the top and the out port at the bottom. Perform pull test to ensure all hoses are engaged and locked. Connect the faucet sensor cable to the solenoid valve. Connect the battery box cable to the solenoid valve. Position the weight near the U-shaped section of the hose, on the opposite side of the quick connect fitting. Connect the hot and cold water hoses to the home plumbing or shutoff valves. Do not over-tighten. Open the shutoff valves and check for any leaks in faucet and all connections. Test faucet operations by opening handle and waving side sensor. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your kitchen faucet with sensor functionality.